Hi Spencer, this is Ellie again, and this video is about retrofitting the solar web, and you can see how they connect. Actually, this tank should include MPPT charging controller and battery, but we only have this side of tank on hand. This is the wrong side for 307 Wh battery and MPPT charging controller. Its space is limited, so we place MPPT outside because our supplier cannot supply one PC sample for us, so we cannot use the suitable size of tank to you. But don't worry, it does sample use. In the normal tank, there will be 3 outputs. 2 outputs is for the solar web, 1 output is for the light. Wait until the light will come on, and so there will no this output in the normal tank because the MPPT will be inside. So you maybe notice this extra output. Actually, this output is for this AC electric supplier. It means you will keep the solar power and AC electric power at the same time. It is very workable for the area where features bad weather and the light is not efficient. I don't know whether you received this inquiry before, but I think you will have preparations when customer have this question. If you don't need this AC electric power, just remove this output. So and you can make a demonstration. One more thing, if you just need this solar power, the MPPT is different. So in this sample, I just want to show you more methods. Hope it can workable and helpful to you. Thanks for watching.